यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे.
Good morning, my dear children. There have been lots of requests that we find from the children, of course, that we find great difficulties in identifying tenses, how to delineate the sentences and thereby identifying tenses and use it. So on the request of the students, I decided to take few classes on tenses. Very simple. टेंस को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? काल. कौन सा काल? काल मतलब समय, प्रेजेंट, पास्ट, फ्यूचर. और इसी के वेरिएंट फॉर्म्स हैं विच आर कॉल्ड टेंसेस. टेंस के कौन सा एस्पेक्ट है, what are the areas, how to use it, when to use it, how to identify it. verb में, subject में, predicate में, noun में इसकी uses होती है. जैसे समय, why do we say good morning? Because that's morning. Similarly, after 12 o'clock we say good afternoon. But in the evening, 5 o'clock thereafter, we say good evening. And when we are not expected to meet any more today, so we say good night, sir. We say that. So, when I explain it, because if I give you a lot of theories, you will not be able to understand. So, let us go to practice alone. Straight way to the practice. Present tense. And we will be delineating around 16 tenses. So, the first tense is present tense. What is there? She reads book in library. She cooks food in the kitchen. What she is doing? She is cooking food in the kitchen. She is reading book in her bedroom. So this is a present tense, simple present tense. इसमें कोई लाग लपेट नहीं है. क्या है भाई इसमें? Subject, she, plus verb. What she is doing? She is reading. I told you verb is a action part. She is reading. Subject plus verb plus s or es, depending upon the situation. So the simple present is she reads book in library. ये देख लो, सिंपल प्रेजेंट हो गया. सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. सिंपल मतलब सीधा साधी, प्रेजेंट मतलब अभी, मौजूदा. टेंस, टेंस मतलब कब, कौन सा समय. कौन सा समय? सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. आई डोंट थिंक इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ इन प्रेजेंट टेंस ओनली वी विल गो फॉर present continuous tense. We are talking in present, but it is in a continuous flow. इसके साथ क्या लगेगा? Subject plus is, am, are and verb. Subject plus is, am, are plus verb. लेकिन वर्ब में क्या है? इट्स ए कंटिन्यूअस. गोइंग, ईटिंग, रीडिंग. ओनली देन कंटिन्यूटी वुड बी फॉर्म. कंटिन्यूअस मतलब जो लगातार हो रहा है. सेंटेंस देखो क्या है? आई एम स्टडीइंग. in a school. I am studying in a middle school. I am studying in a university. तो ये क्या हो गया? सिंपल प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस. इसको क्या बोलते हैं सिंपल फॉर्म में? प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. पहला क्या बोला था? सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. शी रीड्स बुक इन लाइब्रेरी. दूसरा क्या हुआ? प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. क्या है भाई इसमें? सब्जेक्ट, इज, एम, आर प्लस वर्ब. And verb would be not ate, not like that. Eating, that is verb in continuity with ing. That would be continuous. That will make continuous. Just see the sentence. I am studying in a high school. She is studying in a university. You know? So studying means that gives a continuity. Not only that she studied for an hour or so. Studying, because that's a continuous process. Present simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense. What is present perfect tense? Subject plus has, oblique have plus verb. क्या है भाई इसका सेंटेंस? He has made his कलरफुल चार्ट. अब देखो इसमें क्या है? प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस में ही हैज मेड. परफेक्ट क्या हुआ? मेड, बना दिया. ही हैज शोज द प्रेजेंट, लेकिन परफेक्ट मतलब द वर्क इज डन. सो ही हैज मेड दिस कलरफुल चार्ट. ही हैज मेड दिस कलरफुल चार्ट. So that makes present perfect tense. अब आ जाओ इसमें present perfect continuous. इसमें क्या हो जाएगा? Subject plus has and oblique have. इसमें been लग जाएगा. B-E-E-N, been. Because that is going to show continuity part of it. Been plus verb, verb में भी ing लग जाएगा. क्या हो जाएगा? She has been working since 2000. She has been working since 2000. देखो present perfect continuous. Present में she is already working, इसलिए present हो गया. Perfect में क्या है? Has been working. When? She has been working since 2017. Present perfect continuous tense. So perfection is there. Perfection means the work has been done. Though the situation is in present, scenario is in present, but the work has been done in present scenario. But that has been doing since when? Since 2000 or 2018, whichever you feel like, or whichever situation that you come across. So my dear children, we have come across 4 situations. Simple present tense, she reads book in library. Present continuous tense, I am studying in a high school. Present perfect tense, he has made this colorful chart. Mind you, present perfect, she has a present का denominate करता है, and perfect क्या है? Made, बना दिया ना. She has or he has made this colorful chart. Present perfect continuous में क्या हुआ? She has been working there since 2017. She has been working there since 2017. अब आ जाते, टेंस हो गया प्रेजेंट का. अब हम आ जाते हैं पास्ट टेंस. सिंपल के पास प्रेजेंट के बाद पास्ट, तभी फ्यूचर आएगा. प्रेजेंट जो अभी चल रहा था, पास्ट जो खत्म हो गया, पहले का बीता हुआ काल. टेंस की बात कर रहा हूं ना, तो काल मतलब समय, विच वी हैव ऑलरेडी स्पेंट. सिंपल पास्ट टेंस पहला क्या था? सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. सिंपल पास्ट टेंस, He completed the assignment. He past क्या हो गया? Completed the assignment. अब इसमें देखो क्या है? Subject plus has oblique have, है ना? Simple past sentence, subject plus verb or irregular verb. He completed the assignment. That denominates the activity has been done. He completed the assignment. You are past, simple past tense. Past continuous. He was reading the book. He was. Because this is past continuous. He was reading the book. Continuity aspect is there. Even it was there in the present continuous, it was studying. Studying in a high school. Here, past continuous में क्या हुआ? He was reading the book. इसमें क्या आ जाएगा? Subject plus was or were plus verb. And that verb will go with ing. Past perfect. The next one is past perfect. Subject plus had plus verb. I had finished my homework. She had finished her homework. You have finished your homework. But have will not be used here because this is past perfect tense. So here what is going to be used? Had. I had finished my work. I had finished my work. Past continuous tense. Past perfect tense. I had finished my work. Past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. I had been playing football since morning. Past क्या हुआ? Perfect. Past perfect continuous. I had been playing since morning. I had been playing football since morning. Since it is continuous, so ing would be applied here. Past perfect continuous. So my dear children, you have seen present tense, then past tense. And both the tenses have 4 configuration in each. Now let us come to future. Future tense. In future, simple future tense. I shall go to park for a walk. In present, the work was being done. Past, that had been done. But future shall be done. Simple future tense. Subject plus will oblique shall plus verb. I shall go to park for a walk. Future continuous. He will be playing football. Future continuous means subject plus will or shall plus verb. Since it is continuous, so ing would be applicable here. She would be or he would be playing football. It is future continuous. Future perfect tense. He will have played football. Just see. Future perfect. He will have played football. Simple perfect. Future perfect. Future perfect sentence. Tense. He will have played football. Future perfect continuous. He will have been watching TV for 50 minutes. Future perfect continuous. Because see, wherever continuous is there ing with the verb would be applicable. What is there? He will have been watching TV for 50 minutes. So my dear children, these are some of the tenses. Now there are 4 more format of it which would be very nice and in the appropriateness of the thing to be described. That is past future tense. Past future tense. Now till now you had seen only present, past and future. Now you have 4 more formats of it. Past future tense. What is that? Something plus could plus was.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य
I would leave in
ग्लानिर्भवति भारत
past future tense.
अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य
And what is going to do?
तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्
I told that I would leave in one hour.
परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां
Speaks about the past.
धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय
I would be
संभवामि युगे युगे
I told that I would leave in 1 hour. And just see next one. Past, future, continuous. I told that I would be doing my work all the day long. So by now you must have caught by now that in all continuous form with the verb suffix is ing. So continuous is very simple. You have to just apply yourself and you will get to it. Past, future, perfect tense. He said that she would have done her work. Okay? Past, future. She said, it's a matter of past. She had already said. What she said about the future. What is that future? She would have done her work. She said that she would have done her work. And past, future, perfect continuous. What is that? He said that I should have been working here for 2 hours by that time. Past, future. Past is he said, and what is future? That I should have been working here for 2 hours by that time. So that makes past, future, perfect continuous tense. There is nothing great about it. Only thing is that application aspect. More you apply, better and earlier it should be your own intellectual property. Because see, reading and all those material which are considered to be of scholastic reservoir has to have intellectuality involved in it. So once intellectual aspect comes, so intellectual reservoir also comes into picture. Therefore, my children, I always believe that more and more number of times you practice, there would be the sentences which I spoke before you in my lecture, that would be given in the screen itself. So you can jot it down and practice a bit. Maybe few days in a month or maybe few days in a week, that shall become your own. Thank you very much.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय